morning, everyone.
It was truly an honor to organize For Profound Stories 2025 for our animation department at Avantika.
The FPS program, which is their celebration of Animation Day, what a wonderful piece of work. We managed to see some beautiful work that I'm surrounded by, as you can actually see.
A faculty is lucky when it has got students with strong determination. Their drive is what motivates us and gives us confidence to organize such events at our university.
I heard this is the first batch of animation student. But the work they have done is really nice. This is really commending, actually.
Every student has a unique way of expressing themselves through their artworks, illustrations, storytelling, and films.
We were very proud to showcase our design projects and our character animation that we have been learning under the guidance of our faculties for the past 1 year.
We had lots of courses like character design, then art set design, as well as advanced kinematics, where we learned animation, frame by frame animation, and various softwares as well.
Congratulations to all of them, and I wish them really the very best for the future.
We were really excited to see student short films this year as they had put a lot of hard work into it.